Want to add your proxies to Shadowrocket? We'll explain the process for Android and iOS devices, but before we start, let's get proxy details. With Shadowrocket, you can use any proxy type, but in this tutorial, I'll use residential proxies. Head to Smartproxy's dashboard, click on Residential Proxies, and select Residential. In the Authentication Method section, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Create User again. The password will be generated for you. Now, navigate to the endpoint generator. Here you can choose a preferred proxy user, location, session type, and output format. Below you will find the generated endpoints. Save them for later. Let's start with Android. Open the app and tap on this file icon. Choose Type manually and tap on Socks. Name your IP in the remarks section. In the address and port fields, enter your host address and port number. Then, authenticate with a username and password from your dash. Tap the check mark to save your proxy. Now select the paper plane icon to connect to your proxy. A pop-out banner below shows that the connection has been successful. Next, let's add proxies to an iOS device. Once you launch the app, tap on Add Server. Then choose Type and based on your subscription, select HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. Enter your host address, port, username, and password in the respective fields. Hit Save. Finally, enable your proxy by switching on the toggle next to Not Connected. That's it for proxy setup with Shadowrocket. If you need efficient proxies, try our residential IPs with a link in the description. For more guides on integrating Smartproxy products, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.